Hey, it's Kate. Hope you're feeling cute today. This is the bag. Oh my God. Yun talaga yung pinunta ko doon, pero ang dami ko nabili. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do a quick IKEA haul, and I'm going to show you the stuff that I bought for my room when I went to IKEA the other day. So just for your information, IKEA is now accepting visitors who are fully vaccinated even without booking or schedule. So when you go there, you just need to bring your vaccination card and yeah, nothing else. So as I mentioned in my previous videos, I'm working on my room right now. So I'm trying to do a room makeover, but it's taking so long because I have been busy with a lot of stuff lately, and I just got the time to shop for furnitures. Let's start with the haul. This is the bag of random stuff. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this pegboard. It's called Scadis. It's 36 by 56 centimeters. This is where I will hang my stuff. I will probably buy some organizers that I can hang here so that I could put some of my stuff na maliliit and para madali ko lang silang makikita. Scadis pegboard is 590 pesos. Next thing that I got with that was for my pegboard, these hooks for my pegboard. Nung una, hindi pa ako sure kung separate ba to, pero sabi ni Carl kasama daw. So, got this. This is 100 pesos. Next thing that I got is this Burhalt board. So, ito yung hanging shelf na ihahang ko sa wall. Pero hindi ko sure kung magagawa ko siya ngayon kasi I don't have a drill. The Burhalt shelf 59 by 20 is 150 pesos per piece. And mayroon siyang bracket. Dalawang bracket. So for the tom tilt bracket, this cost 100 pesos each. Ayun, yung na-notice ko is kapag bumili ka nito, ayan, wala pa siyang kasamang screw or anything na mag-hold ng bracket. Or I'm not sure, baka hindi ko lang nakita. Pero, meron silang area doon kung saan pwede kang makakuha or bumili nitong mga screw nila, set of screws, and also yung holder ng mga screws sa wall para mag-hold siya properly. Merong for small, medium, and large screws. This is the Fixa screw and plug. It is 500 pesos. And then, next thing that I got is this one. So I got the Mule clothes rack. I got 4 so I can hang all my clothes. Sana kayanin. Feeling ko durable naman siya. This is actually extendable. It extends from 60 centimeters to 90 centimeters. 350 pesos, and I got 4. Next thing that I got are these hangers. So this set costs 90 pesos for 10 pieces, which is like 9 pesos per hanger, which I think is good enough. And it's black. You know, since wala akong study table, I went to IKEA to buy a study table. Yun talaga yung pinunta ko doon, pero ang dami ko nabili. Before I went there, I browsed through their Instagram page and nakita ko yung specific table na to. It's actually a drawer, and then you're gonna put a board sa taas para maging table siya. This is the board. It's called the Lagkapten board. It's 120 by 60, which I think is enough na for me since laptop lang naman yung meron ako. Hindi naman ako nagpi-PC. Oh my God. This is the Alex drawer. I think this is one of the best sellers for IKEA kasi nung pumunta kami doon, 3 drawers na lang yung available. Nung pagkuha namin itong isang piraso na to, 2 pa yung nandun. But before we went to the cashier or the counter to pay, sold out na yung Alex drawer nung day na yun. Oh. So fucking hard. I can do this. I'm an independent woman. I can do it. Okay. So that's all of it. Ang daming parts, grabe. Grabe, how messy. Ang daming parts. We have the drawer front panels. We also have panels for the side of the drawers and the back of the drawers. And of course, we have the base panels and unit top and bottom panel. And lastly, we have the side panels for the actual unit. And then we have screws. Dami! Ayan, okay. So, I'm back. Medyo nalito ako dito sa manual kasi puro pictures. I mean, visual naman ako as a person pero syempre need ko pa din mapakinggan kung paano siya ginagawa. So, I looked it up on YouTube and thankfully may tutorial naman doon. I'll try to do it step by step in this video, but I also put a link down below dun sa tutorial na finalo ko para if ever ito-try nyo din, mas madalian kayo. First thing that he said dun sa tutorial is to do it in a carpet or medyo soft na surface. Wag dun sa actual na tiles or dun sa wood kasi baka masira yung mga parts. So, I got this carpet from outside. Medyo madumi siya, but I think this would do. Okay. Next thing that you're gonna do is to get a few tools. So you're only going to need 3. First one, you need a hammer. Be careful. You need a Phillips screwdriver. I think this is a Phillips screwdriver.
Nope.
A regular screwdriver.
Nope.
Scissors. So, ayan. And then in the manual, you're going to see all of the bolts or all of the little parts that you're going to need for the drawer. Okay. The first thing that he did on that video was to take these screws and put them into the holes of the side pieces like this, and then put these wooden dowels into the side of the base piece. Make sure that the screws are properly screwed into the holes, and then put the side pieces together with the base piece like this. And then he used these cam locks to lock the screws together like this to make sure that it holds tightly onto the panels. Next thing that he did was take the base panel for the unit and put those screws the same way you did for the side panels. I just put the wooden dowels onto the bottom of the side panels, and then I attached the unit base panel on the bottom. I really do hope that this is understandable for you, but if this guide isn't clear enough for you, I have the link for the actual tutorial in the description box below. And just like what we did on the side panels earlier, we're going to use these locks to make sure that it holds onto the side panels really tightly. This is how it looks like after we did that. And now I will be putting on the top panel for the unit. I got kind of confused because we had different parts since I am assembling the Lagkapten desk and he is just assembling the drawer. But yeah, I tried to follow as much as I can, and then I just did the same thing with the screws for the top panel here. I used this panel with the 4 holes on top. Since we're going to screw the Lagkapten board on top of this drawer, we're going to need those 4 holes. And now it's time to assemble the actual drawers. The first step is to take the front panel and then put the screws into the designated holes. I'm assembling the bigger drawers here. For the bigger drawers, you're going to need 4 protruding screws like this. But for the smaller drawers, you're going to need 2 protruding screws on top and then 2 wooden dowels on the bottom of the drawer. Attach the side panels of the drawers onto the front panel like this and secure that using this cam lock. Next thing that I did was insert the drawer base panel onto the two sides. And then I put the back panel as well. Lastly, I used these plastic pins to secure the drawer, and I also used the hammer to tap them in since it was really hard to push. And yeah, these are the drawers. I just did the same to the rest of the drawers, and that's it. The last thing you need to do is of course to place the drawers into the actual drawer unit. To do that, you push the first drawer in and then pull it out back again. And make sure that you also pull out the slides since we're going to screw the drawer into the slides to put it in place. Take one screw from the kit that we have earlier and then screw the drawer plus the sides together. And then do that for the rest of the drawers except for the top drawer since we're going to need to attach the Lagkapten board onto the drawer for the next step. Grabe, after 2 hours, the drawer is finally done. I just have to set up the actual table, yung board, and then yung stand. Pero grabe, sakit na ng kamay ko. This is the tabletop, so ipapatong lang siya dun sa drawer, and then merong ilang screws. Okay, so this is the ideals. This is going to be the leg for the table. I got 2. Okay, so we have the actual leg. One side is. To attach the adult's legs onto the Lagkapten board, you need to screw on this part that's going to hold onto those legs. It took me so long just to screw these pieces together because it was so hard, so I suggest you use a drill to do it. And then attach the leg onto the board like this. I wasn't able to film the process of screwing the board onto the drawer, but you just need to take those 4 screws and attach it onto the 4 holes of the drawer. And I'm back after almost 3 or 4 hours. Finally finished the fucking table. Ta-da! Yay! It's my table. I don't have a chair yet. I'm gonna buy it probably this month or next month, but yeah. Yay. And yeah, I guess that's it for our IKEA haul. Those are the stuff that I got for my room, and I'll probably show you the stuff I got for my closet next time kapag na-set up ko na yung clothes rack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again next time.